Well, just the last video, linked down below, we were talking about how Antarctica was melting faster, 3 times faster than they thought, according to a new study. But now, yet another new study is out. Sorry, the board's not available. Some remodeling going on. Out of my control. So, the Greenland ice sheet is the second largest ice sheet on the planet. At 650,000 meters? No. Feet? No. Yards? No. Miles of ice sits on top of that. That's why if Greenland was to suddenly start melting very quickly, you would see rapid sea level rise just on that continent alone. So now it looks like we have 2 of the largest continental ice sheets on the planet are now melting at a huge rate. So why is Greenland melting so quickly? Well, because the currents in the ocean are now bringing up very, very warm Atlantic Ocean waters and pushing them around both sides of Greenland. Raising not only the temperature, but melting the glacier bottom, which then speed up the glaciers, which means collapse of the ice sheet around the edges. Will the middle ever melt? Eventually, but probably not in our lifetime. So how much is Greenland contributing to sea level rise at this time? 20% of all the melting going on the planet is coming from Greenland now. The Greenland ice is now melting 50% faster than it was pre-industrial levels, according to the new study. Scottish Association for Marine Sciences. Just one more obvious study to add to all the others that climate change is happening. So, what can we do about it? Well, the CO2 is now climbing very rapidly. The last readings that we got were almost 410 parts per million. That's a lot so early in the season. But it's as if nobody's going to care or do anything about it. Just a few people will talk about it, do something themselves, as most of the country keeps voting for people who don't believe in climate change because they don't believe it themselves. They'll find out when it hits them square in the face with either a hurricane, a huge volcano, tornadoes, earthquakes, mudslides, torrential floods. They're all coming our way if we don't do anything. Actually, they are going to be coming our way, whether we do something or not at this stage. So, pretty soon here, we'll be taking the trillions of dollars being spent on terrorism and putting it on climate change. But will it be too late by then? Or will we just keep going down the same road and keep voting in the same people over and over and over and expecting different results?